By our estimates, every 3 minutes, a transgender person will die from suicide. And we find that unacceptable. Those that use Euphoria software will experience a 79% decrease in suicide ideation. And compare that to the 81% suicide ideation of the larger trans population that isn't using our software, we're talking about a total inversion. My name is Catherine Anthony. I'm a transgender woman. My pronouns are she and her, and I am the founder of Euphoria LGBT Inc. Prior to Euphoria, I was working as a software developer, and mostly it was because I couldn't find a job as a trans person and I had to find a way to support myself. And that motivated me to try to build better things for people, which eventually led me to a run for office where I would meet my eventual co-founder, Patrick. About 7 years ago, I came out as a transgender woman, and at the time, the only thing that was accessible was a community-based transition, which meant that I'd have to seek out other transgender people to find the information needed to be able to move forward. And the net result of it is that I got stuck in transition for about 5 years. Stuck in this horrific in-between of someone trying to become her true self, but lacking the resources to be able to do it. That's ultimately what led us to Euphoria, a very painful journey through a very intimate process and a desperate need for additional resources in a consolidated and unified manner. And the way we were able to synthesize our ambition, but also meet the pains and the needs of this community, was creating a mobile app known as Solace. We help our users accomplish their legal goals, such as updating a driver's license or even amending a birth certificate. We even help with the social matters, whether it's buying a bra for the first time, or how to tie a tie, or finding the courage and the bravery to be able to go to a gym as your authentic self. We've become the largest platform in the world for the trans community. We've expanded to other apps, and we're continuing to charter a new way forward. At the end of the day, we just want more transgender people to walk this earth and do so happily without the horrible thoughts of suicide ideation or the pain of being stuck and not able to be your true self. Currently, Euphoria reaches about 1 out of every 50 transgender people in the US. And by the end of the year, we expect that number to be about 1 in 25. It's our job to make sure that we always show up in front of the most important question of our users' lives. What do I do if I'm transgender? Solace offers an answer.